This here is store-bought granola. It's okay, but not the healthiest or appealing. And this right here is homemade protein granola, made with just 5 ingredients and has 19 grams of protein per serving. Just look at how much chunkier and crispier the clusters look too. The key to getting the clusters that big is using whisked egg whites, and I'll show you how to make them right now. Start with a bowl to whisk your egg whites in. Tall, narrow containers like this one work best, although it doesn't need to be this tall. Whisk 2 egg whites until stiff peaks form. It should take a couple of minutes to achieve a smooth and frothy texture. Take out a large mixing bowl to combine all of your ingredients. I already have half a cup of peanut butter in here. Pour in your whisked egg whites into the large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of honey for sweetness and binding. Add 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats into the bowl. And finally, add half a cup of vanilla whey protein powder. If you're using plant-based protein powder, reduce the oats by 2 tablespoons since plant-based protein powders absorb a bit more liquid. Mix everything together until it's evenly combined and you don't see any more dry spots. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a large baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Pour your granola mixture onto the baking sheet and spread it out evenly. Break them up into your preferred cluster size. I'm keeping mine chunky here, but you can go even larger if you want. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about halfway during the baking, we'll rotate the pan 180 degrees to ensure the granola bakes evenly. Once the edges are lightly golden and the granola looks set, remove it from the oven. It will continue to crisp up as it cools. Let the granola cool completely on the baking sheet for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Then you're all set with your protein granola. If you divide this up into 6 servings, you get about 19 grams of protein per serving. You've got a delicious high protein granola that's versatile as a snack by itself or as a topping for your yogurt bowls. Store your granola in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein snack recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.